Stocks taking another massive hit today as fear over the coronavirus and oil prices halts trading on the floor for the first time in 2 decades. Your 401k may be taking a beating, but it's not time to panic. ABC 15's Cameron Polam explains why what we're seeing now is very different than 2008 and how you can actually take advantage even in a challenging market.
As stocks tumble and many speculate a recession is imminent, many wonder if the impact could be similar to what we saw a decade earlier.
The financial sector at that time was not healthy. The amount of bad debt that they had on their books really created that.
Scott Aiken with Wild Wealth Management says at that time it was a culmination of the housing bubble and bad loans on the books of major banks that caused catastrophe. The government implementing regulations to prevent a similar collapse. Since then, investors have ridden an 11-year bull market to record highs.
Based on today's numbers, it might be the end of the bull market.
An end that will certainly impact 401ks and other investment accounts. For those who aren't retiring anytime soon, now may be the time to buy more at a lower price.
Things are on sale right now. Stocks are on sale.
As Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. But what if you're planning on retiring soon? Aiken says hopefully you've already adjusted your portfolio to something less aggressive, more bonds and fewer stocks.
When interest rates drop, the value of bonds increases. So even though the stock market has had a really rough last 3 weeks or so, all of my clients that have half their money in bonds have actually done quite well.
Speaking of interest rates, they're now at record lows, presenting yet another opportunity.
Anyone who has debt right now, whether it's a small business, whether it's an individual with a mortgage, now is as good a time as any to refinance that debt.
Refinancing would save not only money on interest, but most likely reduce your payment, putting extra cash in your pocket. This goes for refinancing those pesky student loans as well. In the end, no matter what the market does, a good financial advisor can make all the difference. I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15 Arizona.